is JPL Open House 2018. Let's check it out!
I'd like to welcome you to the center of the universe. Why do we call this room the center of the universe? Well, take a look around. The men and women in this room monitor the vast communications network that tracks all the spacecraft data to and from deep space. This is the way we've been monitoring spacecraft for more than 50 years. The Deep Space Network team sits here in the first two rows. We have 3 rotating teams that help keep data flowing, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Over here, you'll see a visualization showing the 3 antenna complexes located around the world. The squiggly lines represent commands being sent up to the spacecraft and data flowing down from across our solar system. At the back of the room are the mission controllers, or ACEs as we like to call them. They command and control our 2 rovers that are actively gathering data on the Martian surface. To my right, you may recognize our critical operations room from when you watched the terrifying moments when the Curiosity rover landed on the surface of Mars. Just this past month, you may have seen the launch of the InSight mission. It streaked across the early morning sky from Vandenberg Air Force Base, just north of Los Angeles. In November, InSight will touch down on the Martian surface and give the red planet its first thorough checkup since its formation 4.5 billion years ago, looking in depth at its crust, mantle, and core, and will monitor it all from the critical events room just behind you. Finally, as you leave today, step inside our photo gallery to see space images taken from past and present missions. And make sure to grab your Center of the Universe sticker on your way out. Thanks for stopping by.